Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make egg lollipops. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 6 large eggs, 1/4 cup of milk, and 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Don't forget 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour, plus a pinch of salt and pepper for seasoning. Make sure you have your lollipop sticks ready, along with a deep frying pan for cooking. This simple recipe is perfect for a fun snack or party appetizer. Now, let's prepare the egg mixture. In a bowl, whisk your 6 large eggs with 1/4 cup of milk, a pinch of salt, and pepper until everything is well combined and slightly frothy. Next, gradually add the 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour, mixing continuously to ensure there are no lumps. This creates a smooth, consistent batter for your lollipops. Set this aside briefly. With your pan heated and buttered, it's time to cook. Pour small, circular portions of your egg mixture into the pan, similar to making small pancakes. Cook each side for approximately 2 to 3 minutes, or until they are beautifully golden brown and firm. Once cooked, gently remove them from the pan. While still warm, carefully insert a lollipop stick into the center of each egg patty. This forms your basic egg lollipop. To finish, you can serve your delicious egg lollipops with your favorite dipping sauce, such as ketchup, sriracha, or even a sweet chili sauce. For an extra touch, sprinkle some fresh chives or a dash of paprika over them for added color and flavor. They are perfect for parties or as a fun snack for kids and adults alike. Be sure to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book about money and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.